Kawadhi kaunti ma Kisii ni jodak kaunti no ojiw mondo kiny wuog oko ne chenro mar pith mar yien ma sirkal getogo bero chal kor lwasi. Ka oloso kod oganda e boma ma Kisii, County Commissioner ma Kisii Tom Nanjere olero ni sirkal ne oseyudo kothe yien maromo 110,000. Jotend arita no okoni okenge oseketi neno ni jopiny otayo chenro mag pidho yien maonge ng'ukruok kaka yor jolo. Sirkal chopo kwand yien bilion 15 e pacho ka.
We have been able to put in place a multi-agency committee that has been tasked with preparing and ensuring that we mobilize resources, the seedlings, put logistics in place, ensure that we have enough holes for planting the trees on Monday. So far, we have been able to mobilize 110,000 seedlings, which we have projected or purposed to distribute as follows. 20,000 seedlings will be planted at Nasaria Hills. We'll do 20,000. 10,000 will be done at Nyangwate Forest, that's in South Mugirango. The deputy county commissioners in the other 10 sub-counties are going to be issued with 10,000 seedlings each for distribution across the county. The approach we are giving this celebration is the same approach we have been giving to national celebrations, such that the county celebration will be marked at Nasaria Hills in Kisii South. The rest of the sub-county celebrations will be done at the sub-county headquarters in all the 10 sub-counties. What that means is that the DCC Kenyanya will organize his celebration there, cascade it down to the sub-location level. The DCC Nyamache will do the same thing, and the rest of the DCCs will replicate that arrangement in all their sub-counties.
Kapod wantiere e weche